Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Stripe dashboard access by resetting API keys, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard homepage. Locate the developers option in the left sidebar. Click on the API keys section under the developers menu. Here, you'll see your current API keys listed. Identify the keys you want to reset. Make sure to note any existing configurations tied to those keys. For added security, consider revoking any keys you no longer use. To revoke a key, click on the icon next to it. Select the Revokes Key option from the drop-down menu. Confirm the action in the pop-up window. Once the key is revoked, it will no longer be active. Now, to create a new API key, click on the Create Test Key or Create Live Key button, depending on your needs. The new key will be generated and displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy the new key right away, as it will not be displayed again. Store the new key securely in your application or environment variables. Update your application settings with the new API key to restore functionality. Test your application to ensure that it communicates correctly with the Stripe API. If you encounter any issues, double-check your implementation of the new key. You have now successfully restored access to your Stripe dashboard by resetting your API keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.